Welcome to our Town Podcast series, or ATPS as we like to call it. Every week on Friday, we feature art and design professionals who take us through their journey in this fascinating world of art. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Spotify. And with that, let's continue with the show and dive deep into the ocean of art. What do you think are some mistakes everyone should avoid when they're starting their career as an artist?
So one would be the whole idea of this this thing is extremely overrated. It doesn't mean that passion isn't important, but we have put passion on such a pedestal that we have so many lost souls not knowing what they want to do with their life. And instead, rather, people would be way better off just picking something that they remotely even like, and do that on a consistent basis. They will actually find more fulfillment and passion from that thing, rather than trying to find that quote unquote true calling or thing. I don't think it probably exists. I mean, even for me as a guy, right, who's been drawing for ever since I was a kid, like 5 years old or something, people might think, oh, that was his passion from his early age. But to be honest, I mean, I didn't have like a passion for like a very long time. And drawing just became a passionate thing because I got really good at it, because I put a lot of time in it, and it was something I remotely liked. So that is one. And two would be, when you're young, be careful. This is what I would say. Be careful about what you're being fed by the outside world, not just the conservative side of the outside world. In the name of modernization or westernization, we're just adopting a lot of things without even actually questioning it, just because someone else other than our people have said it. Maybe you can. It's all about asking questions. It's about like, oh, does this work well for me, or does this not work well for me, and how do I go about this, and how do I go about that? So all these things has been asking questions and not just blindly accepting something, right? Think carefully, and think a lot, question things a lot, and ask a lot of questions, and don't accept anything blindly, even though it quote unquote feels right. I mean, it feels right internally. Oh, that statement, that feels right. But maybe you need to sort of look into the facts of it, maybe something like that.
To continue listening to this podcast, you can find us on Spotify and search Art Town Podcast series. See you there.